The Navy has the mission of securing American interests on the ocean, otherwise known as most of the planet. Here are 6 weapons that help them fight battles across the globe. Trident II Ballistic Missile. Deployed aboard Ohio-class ballistic missile submarines, each Trident II can carry 14 independently targeted nuclear warheads. The warheads can be the W-76 with a yield of 100 kiloton or the W-88 which yields a 475 kiloton explosion. The submarines were built to carry 24 each. The number of nuclear warheads on a Trident II was limited to 8 and the number of missiles on each submarine was limited to 20 by nuclear treaties. Standard Missile. The Standard Missile has a boring name but awesome capabilities. It's a family of missiles that are primarily for shooting down planes and helicopters but can also attack ships, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. One even took out a satellite. Currently, different missiles are needed for different missions. The SM-2 can cripple an enemy ship while the SM-3 focuses on ballistic missiles. The youngest member of the family may change that. The SM-6 has successfully engaged cruise and ballistic missiles and may be tested against surface ships in the future. Mk-48 Heavyweight Torpedo. The Mk-48 Heavy Torpedo has 650 pounds of high explosives packed into its warhead. It can swim at 28 knots for more than 5 miles to reach its target, homing in on it with an advanced sonar system. The Mod 7 version has new sonar and guidance for better engaging targets in both deep and littoral waters while getting past enemy countermeasures. Tomahawk Land Attack Missile. At $500,000 apiece, Tomahawks are expensive cruise missiles that pack a huge punch. They fly at 550 miles per hour and have a maximum range between 700 and 1,350 nautical miles, depending on which version of the missile is used. They can carry either 166 bomblets, a 1,000-pound conventional warhead, or the W-80 nuclear warhead with a 5 to 150 knots yield. The Block 4 Tomahawk missiles can even be reprogrammed in flight to hit different targets. Railgun. The Railgun is currently serving on only one Navy ship. The USNS Millinocket carries the prototype weapon, essentially a cannon that uses magnets instead of chemical propellants to fire a round over 110 nautical miles. Because the round is moving so fast, it can bust bunkers and other hard targets without the need for explosives. Also, the Railgun is expected to be able to engage missiles, speedboats, and aircraft at a fraction of the cost of other weapons. Laser Weapon System. The Navy's laser weapon system concentrates light into a fine point, heating a target until it burns or explodes. So far, the laser has only been used in tests, but the crew of the USS Ponce is allowed to use the laser to defend the ship from actual threats. The laser can fire at different targets in rapid succession. Since shots cost less than $1 each, double tapping is probably fine.